It's surprising how often we get to talk to customers who want to change connectivity providers. They're not talking about new projects, but they've got projects where they're actually struggling. So they've often started a deployment and then found there's some issues with the connectivity they're getting. So maybe the main reason why people should be looking at changing connectivity providers is for the performance that they're going to get for those connections and how that's delivered. And one of the things that we find often is that people, where they're looking to change connectivity provider, they've been working with somebody who maybe has offered potentially a very low price and are unable to deliver the service that they need in the countries that they're trying to do. We also see that customers who are trying to change connectivity provider, they've seen issues where they deploy devices and then they see unreliable performance. And one of the things that we do, and we really enjoy doing, is working with our customers on the devices that they're building and looking to say, how can they make those devices work better? And a lot of that is looking at saying, how does the software work? How does the device work in unusual circumstances? So we have some of the tools that we use. For example, we can test devices, we can push them into unusual circumstances and say, how do the devices work? And that's one of the really important things that we do to say, we can actually provide customers with a better overall connectivity service and therefore a good reason for changing. One of the ways that we do that is we have a private test network in the office, and that allows us to bring devices up and test them across a wide range of scenarios. What happens if the network's operating in a particular way, or it's turned off or turned on some of the features, and particularly with some of the newer radio access technologies. So if they're using Cat-M1 services or NB-IoT services, then we can build up networks and show how they can transfer from one to the other depending on what services are available when the device is deployed. And these are really important things. And again, that's why we see people changing and coming to us.